Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day and you are ready to code another challenge with me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I hope that you will like my videos. I'm working with AngularJs these days, but I also have got out a few videos, so feel free to see everything. Alright, I'm doing the daily UI challenge and today I'm going to do something a bit different. I will code 2 themes in one project. So I'm going to do day 37, which is a local weather app, and day 38, which is a calendar. So for the calendar, I'm only going to show like the current date, whereas for the weather app I'm going to show like the temperature and like the location and maybe some other information. Okay, so let's see what I already have, because this is going to be a little bit different than usual. The first difference is that I'm having my ng app, the controller, but also I have a data ng init with get location, and this is the init because I want this get location to be the first thing that it will run as soon as like you open an app. This should run, okay? And then I have like today's theme and then the working area, which is all the code is going to be. For the CSS, I'm having like some really easy classes and stuff like that, like a header and the working area, but that's it, literally like nothing else. Now the most important thing for this code is here the JavaScript part, and I have to admit that I didn't write this. I'm going to leave in the description just below all the links that you need to reproduce this project that I'm going to build. So although this is not necessary because we are working on the front end stuff, so for this challenge at least I'm working more with HTML and CSS and not that much with the functionality, yet I found it cool to just see how it works, and I found like this code, and we are going to work like with this thing right here. Again, you will have this in your description, so just check it out. Alright, so the first thing that we do is like the get location that I've already mentioned, and we do this with the ng, with the data ng init. But the next thing that we are going to be using is let me see, let me find it. We will use the change unit, and this is why it has the scope. So I'm going to copy the change unit from here. I'm going back to the HTML, and here I'm going to create a div. Inside this div I'm going to have my ng click, and this is going to be a change unit. Okay, I'm doing so because I wanted to have like for Celsius and Fahrenheit. Inside this div I'm going to have a header too, like that, and I'm going to also have a layout row, okay, and probably a layout line with let's say center and center. Okay, do I need anything else? Yes, I need 2 more things. First, let me write it, and then I'm going to mention what they are. So for here I'm going to have a temp, whereas for here I'm going to have a unit. And if you go to the JavaScript, you will see that I have like a temp for Celsius and a unit for Fahrenheit. So these things like can change when you click on change unit. This means that we have, or I have currently like 25 Celsius, and if I click on that, it changes to Fahrenheit. Okay, let me just add like this thing right here for the Celsius. So let's see it one more time, 25 or 77. It is pretty hot, like I have to admit. Okay, let's keep going. The next thing that I want is to have a header 3. And now for the header 3, I'm going to copy like this part right here, make it like this, okay, and here I'm going to have the condition. Okay, I'm going to copy this line and paste it 2 more times. So the second time, now as you can see, like I have the partly cloudy because it's quite cloudy outside, although it's really hot. Anyway, the next thing that I want is the location, and now I'm also going to have my location, and it says Eleftheria. I'm currently in Greece, and the place that I stay, or the area that I stay, it's called Eleftheria. The next thing that I want is the date, okay, and for the date I'm going to have this pipe here, and I'm going to have like my format, so I want it to be like this, and then day and the month. Alright, so it's Saturday and it's 13th of July, so this goes to my calendar. My area, which is like just a nice addition, and then for the weather up you have like the temperature and the condition, which is partly cloudy. So basically that was it. I know it's super simple, but yet we do like simple stuff. It is quite minimalistic, I mean, and I do really like it. If you also like that video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would be awesome. Thank you very much. Have an amazing day and see you really soon.